Hey, second graders, today we are going to be learning about context clues. Context clues are words that help you understand the meaning of another word. So when you're reading and you get to a word that you don't understand, you can use the other words in the same sentence to figure out what that word means. So we're going to do one together and then you will have an assignment to practice it. So in this first sentence of Finding Cal, it says Cal was nervous, so I tried to make him feel better. So let's pretend we don't know what the word nervous means. Okay, so if we look at the other words in the sentence, so I tried to make him feel better. So we know that something is not right with Cal, right? So we know that this nervous word means that something is not right. Okay? So nervous means not relaxed. Okay? As you are reading, I want you to see if you come to a word that you don't know, I want you to see if you can use the other words in the sentence to figure out what that word means.